channel. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same outfit as my last video with the Christmas DIY, it's because I literally just recorded that, so that intro and outro, so I want to change it because it's Christmassy. You know, you got the Christmas decorations and my little elf little onesie. So I thought it's perfect, so we're keeping it. Don't mind me in the same outfit. Okay. So I am about to show you guys how to make my homemade, my personal homemade, this is how I make it, my own hot chocolate with Nutella. I used to always drink the powder, but I was never really satisfied with the chocolate. I'd always be like putting in more and more chocolate until I realized, you know what, no, I don't need the powder hot chocolate. I just need the delicious Nutella hot chocolate because I love Nutella. I'm just, oh my god. I used to eat that every day. A spoonful of Nutella every day in high school. Memories. You can also use this with any other like chocolate, whether it be Hershey, Reese's. You know, they got the Reese's too. They got Reese's dip too. What other chocolates are there? Brands. Is Cadbury? Is that Cadbury? Is that what it's called? Yeah, Cadbury or Milkway? Is that what it is? Yeah, Milkway. I don't know. Whatever you want, you can use this. This is just how I use it with Nutella. Replace it with any other chocolate that you want. All right. So without further ado, let's get into how we make delicious Nutella hot cocoa. So the first thing you're going to need to do is set your stove top on low. Go ahead and add that half a cup of milk first. You're going to need more at the end, but just first let's put in that half cup of milk. And now you add the delicious chocolate. Add as much as you want. This is how much I add, but you add as much as you want. You can add less if you want. And then go ahead and let that chocolate melt and let that milk come to a boil and stir it up. And if you want, you don't have to, but you can add a little bit of marshmallows. I add it while everything is boiling so the marshmallows can melt and boil with the chocolate as well. It gives it more of a delicious taste to it. And now you're gonna add the rest of the milk. And here you can add 1 to 2 cups of milk, depending how much you want. I want a lot of hot chocolate, so I go ahead and add 2 cups of milk. And then you just let that stir. And once you're done, pour that delicious hot cocoa into a mug. And just for a good measure, add some more marshmallows and add some whipped cream for extra deliciousness. And if you're a chocolate lover like me, go ahead and add some more chocolate. I added some Hersheys syrup. Lots and lots of Hershey syrup. And it's ready to serve. Looks delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, I also have a vlog where I post travel, DIY, and my recipes. So if you don't want to come back and watch my video, please watch my videos though. It would be really helpful if you can also really watch my videos. But if you don't want to like come back and watch the video and like see me talk again, then I also have a blog that you can go on to and you can read and print the recipe out. But it'd be helpful if you can watch the video too. Watch the video and then look at the blog. Comment down below if you made this drink and you enjoyed it. I want to see. Did you enjoy it? Did it work? Was it delicious? Was it yummy? Tell me. But that's all I have for you guys today. Give this video a like if you enjoyed that, and give this channel a subscribe. It really is helpful to see when people like a video and subscribe. That way I know things are progressing. Because I know people watch it, okay? People tell me they watch it, and then I'm like, but are you subscribed though? Thank you for watching it, but are you subscribed though? Because it really does help, so I can see that, okay, this video is good, this is going up, and it's doing well, so yeah. But otherwise, I will see you guys next time.